Good afternoon, everybody. It's me, Marcia, from Oils and Wellness with Marcia. And today I'm going to take my, it's almost empty, my bottle here from my Thieves cleaner and make some Thieves cleaner, clean my microwave, and then refill my hand soap right here and show you how that works. So when I do my Thieves, I put two capfuls, because I like it a little bit strong, but 2 capfuls in my bottle, and then fill it the rest way up with water. Here's one. Might as well put you in the middle so you can see. There's one. And here's 2. And that was my all-purpose Thieves household cleaner. It's a all-purpose cleaner. Cleans anything and everything. Now we'll take this and fill it up with water. Don't want to fill it up all the way because I gotta have room for my sprayer to fit down inside here. Put my sprayer in here, like so. Now it's ready for cleaning. Put this away. Okay. Now, to clean the microwave, I have the Thieves cleaner that I just made in here in my wipes. So I'll take this and take one wipe out. Turn my camera around so you can see inside the microwave. And then we will start cleaning. I'm all tangled up here. There we go. Turn you around so you can see the microwave. This is going to come out. Spray the Thieves in. Spray the door down. Now, clean. Turn this away so you can see the door. I love the Thieves household cleaner. It cleans anything. Pretty much anything. And it's safe for humans and pets. So you don't have to worry about it hurting your hands like some chemical cleansers do. I mean, it's just Thieves oil and water. Isn't that nice? That's clean. Now cut back in here so you can see this. I even have on top these clean. Thank goodness some trash cans right here by the counter. And when this here blue rag gets all dirty, which it will, I just throw it in the laundry with the rest of the laundry. And then when I make another batch of the cleanser, I put the rags back in there. And they're cheap. You get like 8 of them in a bag at Dollar Tree in a package for $1. Well, they're going to do away with the dollars. They're getting rid of dollar signs. They're getting rid of the dollars and raising the prices on stuff now. No more free stuff. Just cheap stuff. Let me get the top here. Let me spray the top. I probably should have started at the top. Oh well. I'm not left-handed, so I'll try to do it with my other hand now. How is that? You like the way Thieves Household Cleaner cleans? I sure do. Let me turn you around here so you can watch me clean my glass top. The carousel. Isn't that pretty? Turn over and get the bottom. Now rinse it. Nice and clean carousel. Whoops. I forgot to put my thingy down first. Okay, that's in here. Now, check out that beautiful microwave. Clean microwave. Whoops, I got a piece right here. There we go. Now it's clean. All set to be used. Now, what did you think of that? Now, let me put the lid down here on my Thieves wipes. You can make this yourself. Cleans everything really nice. Now we're going to make the Thieves hand soap. So, take off my sprayer. Wow, if I can get it off. There we go. Now put my hands refiller. I'll put 3 capfuls of this in here. Better move it so you can see what I'm not doing, huh? There we go. There we go. Now you can see easier. There's one. There's 2. And you can buy this Thieves hand foaming soap refill like I have here. And then just fill up your spray bottle when you need it filled up again, like I'm doing now. And it lasts a long time. Then I top this off with water. You don't want to overfill. You don't want to overfill it, because you gotta have room for that sprayer to go down in there. So I filled it like to about right here. Put the sprayer down in there. And after cleaning the microwave, I need to wash my hands. I get this up and out. And there's my soap that made me wash my hands, and that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. And if you're interested in getting your own Thieves hand soap, I'll leave a referral in my description for you. And all you gotta do is click on the referral, type in Thieves foaming hand soap, and it'll show up, or the Thieves household cleaner, and it'll show up, and you can order whatever you want to order and get rid of the bad stuff that might be in your house for cleaning, and get some good stuff that won't hurt you or your pets or even children. If you have your things underneath the counter, you only have one thing to clean the whole house instead of all these other things, the bleach and the Pine Sol and all these other things that's harmful if a child was to get into it. Not only to them, but to their clothes and their skin and the floor and who knows what else. And if they ingest it, have to go to the hospital. But this stuff here won't harm you like that. So do your research on it. Click on it in the referral link I'm putting in the description, and see if it's something you like. And share this with your friends, because I'm sure someone out there wants to change the way they clean as well. So I see you guys tomorrow, and you have a wonderful day. Love you guys. Ta-ta.